back to the channel. In today's video, we will explore Bitrix Inbound Webhook URL. It means today's session how to identify the fields in the contact section. If you open the Bitrix, we have a contacts and company two pages are there. So today's video we will explain how to identify the fields. It means backend fields. It is a very beneficial for transfer the data from outside of the Bitrix to particular contact page. So for that we need to identify the backend fields. So first you go to the developer resources, click the developer resource, and then you can arrange a method crm.contact.add. It means our data, that means outside of the data, push into the contact page. So for that you can call this method, and then after that you can paste it this URL, and you can transfer the data from outside Bitrix to particular contact in Bitrix section. Before that, you need to map those fields. Your contact fields, particular application, Bitrix fields, you need to do the mapping section. So for the mapping section, you need to identify the backend fields. So for that, you need to use Postman. By using the Postman, you can copy this webhook to call REST API. Before this, copy this URL, you can save it and then go to the Postman. See this? I have already paste the URL, and you can pass this method. So for identifying the fields, if you identify the fields in the contact page, so you can pass this method crm.contact.get, and you can pick up a single ID. So in the single ID, you can manually enter the data. After that, you can choose that ID, and then you can click the send button, and immediately your data will be showing in the out, expected output. Say this. These are the fields. Before that, I created the manual fields. Say this. Enter the data in Kiran Devkar. For identify the backend fields, see the first name, the phone numbers, email ID, contact details, positions, comment section. You can enter the fields under the values. You can everything will identify in this method only. So say this. The post is nothing but a comment. In the comment field, the value will be stored. Position, this is the position field, this is a comment section field, and the name field, the last name Kiran Devalkar, and if you scroll that, these are the fields. You need to pass the data, then you can choose the data, you can choose the fields. So after that you can choose see the phone number, and the second phone number, and email ID, and so these are email IDs. So like that you can identify the fields. After that you can choose you can pass the data by using the field section. Like that you can identify the fields in the contact section. If you are understand and useful this video, don't forget like and subscribe button. If you have any doubts, please mention your comments in the comment below section. Definitely I will view and then reply your your queries, and definitely I will resolve your queries. So thank you.